Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a unboxing of a custom order that I ordered just over a week ago from a company called Grimly Fiendish Designs. I found the company on my SpookyBabes group, which you can find on Facebook. You can find Grimly Fiendish Designs on Etsy as well as Facebook. They handcraft designs on wares with a touch of cuteness and spookiness. When I saw her post, I absolutely fell in love with the products that she advertised. So I contacted her and we got talking and she has made me a custom order. So I am going to open it and show you. So it was sent in a little box like this. Thank you so much for your order. I've popped in a little ghost friend to help keep your spirits up during this time. Stay safe, stay spooky, Grimly. Oh, that's adorable. So she's written in the lid a little message for me. And this is the bit that I'm excited for. Okay, so it's in a little Beetlejuice bag. Okay, I'm just going to pull it out and they're both going to fall out. Ooh! Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I'm so glad that I ordered this. It was really spontaneous, like one of those spontaneous buys, and it cost me £9, which includes postage. How cute is that? I thought it was going to be smaller than that, to be honest. And what she's done is, so I asked for a little grey bat, and I asked her to add some bones in the wings. Oh, that's so cute. It's all squishy. Oh, thank you so much for doing that for me. Other thing that they have sent is this little ghost. Oh. They're cute, just little like novelty items. But yeah, I saw the little bat design and I was like, oh my God, I need this. So what I will do is I will add her links to the description of the video where you can go and check them out and check out their Etsy. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you are new here, make sure that you like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you are a regular, thank you so much for your continued support. Stay safe and don't forget to stay spooky.